7 Indian airports in India will be offering facial recognition-based biometric boarding systems by March 2023 as part of Digi Yatra, an ambitious project by the Ministry of Civil Aviation, which was first announced in August 2018. Digi Yatra is an important development in air travel in India that features contactless, seamless processing of passengers at airports based on the use of single token face biometrics for passenger verification. On December 1, 2022, Union Minister for Civil Aviation Jyotiraditya Scindia introduced Digi Yatra at Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi. The Ministry of Civil Aviation, airlines, and airports have joined forces, as part of the Digi Yatra initiative to provide touchless biometric security and boarding solutions as well as contactless check-in and baggage drop facilities. Digi Yatra is being rolled out at Indian airports in phases, with the first phase covering 7 airports in stages. Stage 1, which has been completed, features the New Delhi, Bengaluru and Varanasi airports, while Stage 2 will incorporate Hyderabad, Kolkata, Pune, and Vijayawada airports by March 2023. Airports in Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Pune, Varanasi and Vijayawada were also involved in trialling biometric boarding systems using facial recognition technology. The Airports Authority of India have contracted Japan's NEC Corporation in 2019 for implementing facial recognition-based biometric boarding systems at Varanasi, Pune, Kolkata and Vijayawada airports as part of Digi Yatra. The project, which is based on facial recognition technology, envisions travelers passing through different checkpoints at airports with paperless and contactless processing using facial features to establish his or her identity, which could be linked to the boarding pass. To use this facility, one-time registration on the Digi Yatra app requires Aadhaar-based validation and a self-image capture. How to get the Digi Yatra app? It is available free of cost for Android and iOS phones. Steps to use the Digi Yatra app. Download the app. To get started, download the Digi Yatra app from the App Store on your smartphone. Generate Digi Yatra ID. Once you have the app, you can generate your Digi Yatra ID by providing personal information such as your name, mobile number, email address, and identification proof. Verification process. Depending on the type of identification proof you provide, your identity will be verified either online or manually by airport security personnel. For example, if you opt for Aadhaar-based verification, it will be done online, but if you choose another ID, manual verification will be done by airport security personnel. Share Digi Yatra ID while purchasing tickets. When you purchase tickets for your flight, you will be asked to share your Digi Yatra ID. Your airline will then share your information and ID with the departing airport. Process at the airport. Scan barcode or QR code. Upon arrival at the airport, go to the entry point A gate and scan the barcode or QR code on your boarding pass or A ticket. Verify identity and flight details. The system will verify your identity and flight details, and the FRS will verify your travel documents. Grant access to security area and flight. After successful verification, you will be granted access to the security area and your flight. Boarding process. The boarding process will be completed through the A gate using the FRS. A face with ticket PNR will be converted to a single token for the rest of your airport journey.